Hi everyone, I want to show you how to check the current serial number and access code for MapInfo Pro. As you can see, I've got MapInfo Pro open in the background here. What we need to do is to navigate to the Pro tab, and then the left hand side the licensing, and then we've got manage your licenses section. In here you can see the serial number, the access code, and if you're using a server, a local license server, then you'd see the port and the server name there for the local license server. So that's how you can use MapInfo Pro to look up the serial number and access code. You can also use Windows Explorer to find out the serial number and access code. To do this, you can use the Windows key and E. And then if you navigate to the default installation directory from MapInfo Pro, which is C drive, Program Files, MapInfo Professional. You may have your own custom installation directory. In that case, you just need to browse to the professional directory there, whichever directory you've chosen for your installation during the installation process. In my case, I've got several different versions on the same machine, so during the installation process I selected a subfolder which had the same name as the version I was installing, so I have multiple versions running on the same machine. In this case I'll be looking at 16_0. So you browse into there, and then we're looking for a file called userinfo.log. Once you find that, if you open that with Notepad, and at the top here you'll see your serial number and your access code. These will both be displayed here. So that's how you can use MapInfo Pro and Windows Explorer to discover the serial number and access code for your installation of MapInfo Pro. Thanks for watching,